Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions one product at a time. Today, we have a drone showdown for you. In the left corner, we have the Holystone HS430, and in the right corner, the RADCLO mini drone. Two mini drones, one epic battle. Let's get ready to rumble. Alright, first up, let's talk about the cameras. The Holystone HS430 boasts a 1080p Wi-Fi camera. Reviewers praise its ability to take great still photos and highlight its smooth FPV transmission that sends every detail to your phone in real time. On the other hand, the RADCLO mini drone also flexes with a 1080 PHD camera that's manually adjustable at 90 degrees. Reviewers appreciate its ability to capture decent quality videos given its price, and its connectivity to phones and tablets. So which one's better? Well, let's just say, it's like comparing Spielberg to Hitchcock. Both are legends in their own right. Now, let's talk battery life. The Holystone HS430 gives you two modular LiPo batteries, extending your flight time to nearly 30 minutes. Reviewers love this extended flight time and the overvoltage protection it offers. The RADCLO mini drone, on the other hand, comes with two 800 mAh batteries, giving you a solid 22 minutes of flight time. While reviewers note that the flight time is shorter, they find it manageable and appreciate the inclusion of two batteries. So size doesn't always matter, right? It's all about how you use it. When it comes to portability, the Holystone HS430 folds neatly into the palm of your hand. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones, compact, powerful, and ready for action. Reviewers appreciate its lightweight and easy-to-carry design. The RADCLO mini drone comes with a carrying case, making it super convenient for outdoor travel. Reviewers find it handy and durable enough to withstand multiple crashes. Fancy, huh? And now, the fun part, features. Holystone HS430 is packed with everything from high-speed rotation, circle fly, trajectory flight, to voice and gesture control. Reviewers find it perfect for kids, adults, and beginners alike. The RADCLO mini drone is no slouch either. It's got high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, and even a 3-speed gear. Plus, it comes with propeller guards and spare fan blades, making it durable and fun. Reviewers enjoy its family-friendly features and after-sales support. It's like the Swiss Army knife of fun. Overall, reviewers find the Holystone HS430 to be an impressive and versatile drone, especially praised for its long battery life and camera quality. On the other hand, the RADCLO mini drone is considered a decent and durable choice, appreciated for its family-friendly features and ease of use. So there you have it, folks. The Holystone HS430 and the RADCLO mini drone, two mini drones with maximum fun. Whether you're Team Spielberg or Team Hitchcock, you can't go wrong with either. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.